This is stock number 210140, a 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 Crew Cab Duramax. Exterior color is black. For interior options, we have power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, power driver's seat with adjustable lumbar control, cruise control, hands-free voice control, and steering wheel audio control, 4x4 switch, AM/FM radio with built-in aux and CD player, dual zone climate control, gray cloth seats, sunroof, rear 60/40 split bench seat, fold down armrest and cup holder, seats fold up for extra storage space, painted box, and once again that stock number was 210140, a 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 Crew Cab Duramax. Exterior color is black.